Wondering how to connect your phone to your new signal booster system? Good news, you don't have to. Here's why. Hi, I'm Dan from UberSignal. We're the cell phone signal booster experts. We have helped tens of thousands of customers improve their cell signal for well over a decade. A lot of people assume that a signal booster is kind of like a Wi-Fi router, something that you need to log into, or maybe a Bluetooth speaker that you need to pair your phone with, but it's not like that at all. Your phone doesn't even know that the signal booster exists. It just sees a stronger signal, like you suddenly moved closer to a cell tower. Here's what actually happens. The booster uses a strong outside antenna like this one to pick up a weak signal from the cell tower. It amplifies it, and then it rebroadcasts it through your inside antenna to fill your space. Then, your phone just does what it always does. It connects to the strongest signal it can find. There's no setup, no pairing, it's totally automatic. Now, the one exception is something like a cradle booster, the WeBoost Drive Sleek. With that setup, your phone does need to sit in the cradle in order to receive the boosted signal. It's a more direct connection, but still no apps or syncing involved. And yes, some boosters do have apps that you can use during installation, like a few models from Nextivity, but that's just to set up and check your signal strength. It does not connect your phone to the booster. It's more like a control panel. So, in short, your phone doesn't connect to the booster. The booster just makes the connection better behind the scenes. Still have questions? Leave a comment below or click the link in the description to reach out to us. We're here to help.